Hey, would you mind signing?
Hey, Tate.
Come over here by me. Let's go. Come over here by me.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Guys, back up.
Tim.
Tristan, anything to say?
Is this like real? Guys, wait. Wait.
Okay. Hey. You just pull up a little bit. Okay.
One flight of U.S. monsters right now.
Okay.
They make it off and then they come get it. Find a way to find the crowd. Hey, you got something?
Today's video is about the reason or why Andrew Tate and his brother was arrested in Miami. Yes, so I am bringing this news to you so that you will know the major reason why Andrew Tate and his brother was arrested. Now, if you look up here, you will see that UK charges and allegations against Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan. Now, number one says, okay, let's go here to see the beginning of everything. Here it says, Andrew Tate was arrested in Miami by US Marshals following an extradition request by British authorities after the UK Crown Prosecution Service brought 38 new criminal charges against him and his brother Tristan. This is wonderful. Now, these new charges spanning alleged offenses against 4 women between 2010 and 2017, bringing his total count in the UK to 42 charges. This is wonderful. Andrew Tate, in fact, I don't know. Now, see the summary of everything. UK charges and allegations. Number 1, rape and sexual assault. Andrew faces 7 additional counts of rape and multiple count charges or multiple count of assault. Number 2, sex trafficking, charged with 3 counts of arranging or facilitating trafficking for sexual exploitation. Now, 3, child abuse, child sexual abuse material, accused of 19 additional charges involving indecent image of child and extreme pornography. So, legal context here: extradition, arrest in Miami on July 18, 2026 to face extradition proceeding to the United Kingdom. Yes, Andrew Tate was arrested, as you can see here, on the 18th of July 2026 because of all these UK charges and allegations. No, though it is allegation here, because no one is sure. It is after the findings they will know if he did all this truly or not. So now, prior cases, the brother also faces separate human trafficking and rape. That is Andrew Tate's brother, Tristan. So he faces separate human trafficking and rape charge in Romania alongside investigation in the United States. So responses: lawyer and representative for the Tate have stated that the brother deny all allegations and intend to fight the extradition request, claiming the charges are politically motivated. So what do you think concerning this video? Do you think that Andrew Tate and his brother did all this? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Bye.